if rates continue to rise and the Fed continues to talk as hawkish as it has. There's a look right there, just settling out just below a 1,000-point loss for the Dow. Let's talk to Mad Money's Jim Cramer. He joins us now in overtime. Jim, your thoughts as we go out pretty ugly?
Let it go. You just got to let it go. When the Fed wants to get something done, like it does right now, and drags it out, instead of just telling Sarah, listen, it's going to be 50, let's just do 100 right now on the set, you're going to have to deal with this torture. It will set up for a good buying opportunity, but everything's got to come down, Scott, because they basically mandated a decline by stringing things out and by making it very unclear when they're going to stop. And I think that Jay got this one wrong. The country, the industrialists, the CEOs, they want him to go fast. They want him to go hard because they're sick of paying up. And when you look at what went up today, you take a Kimberly-Clark, they're not supposed to, we don't want them raising stuff. That's what we actually buy. So he's got to move. He's got to slow the economy. He's got to make it so that we even have layoffs at this point because it's just not working. He's not moving fast enough.
You want him to go big from the very beginning because, as you heard, probably Mester with Sarah, at least she's saying 75 basis points is not in her plan. She also says this is what she calls the great recalibration phase. So I'm wondering how much more stocks have to recalibrate themselves, Jim, for the environment that you described with what the Fed is going to do.
I think that we have to understand that stocks are trading as a unit right now. And so, therefore, we're going to just take a classic 1994. By the way, 1994 was we had 50, 50, and then 75 in order to cool the economy. You had the Fed funds rate double. And everybody got out, and it turned out to be the beginning of a great bull run up to 2000. So, I mean, look, I think that the market obviously is too high given what they're doing. But there's just stocks that are just getting killed that are very interesting, Scott. But you got to let them continue to get killed until we at least get the process going. Look, I would have gone for 100. I would have. It needed the shock treatment that he gave us when we actually had the pandemic start. We need a shock treatment. And he is, I love Jay. I think he's doing a great job. But right now, this is when we simply cannot afford to be slow. Let's just get there. Let's get the 30-year up to 4. Let's get people. We've got the great balance sheets in this country, but we don't have enough homes. We don't have enough cars. We don't have enough chemicals. We don't have enough steel. We don't have enough plastic. Come on, man. Slow it down. We're going to have a crash landing if he doesn't slow it down.
Do you think the lows, the prior lows, are in jeopardy now as a result of what's happening?
Definitely, because they're taking too long. They're taking too long. It's too bad because he's got the right attitude.